Here I am enjoying my pizza, and this rooster right over here wants something. So I took some pizza and I shred them all just like that, so it can be a little bit easier for him. Let's see. There you go, buddy. For you. Yeah, he's hungry. I'm gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna do this one. I hope he likes mushroom and onions. So I just shred. This is one whole slice pizza. And oh, so you called your posses, huh? Ah, okay. Birds. Reminds me of the Alfred Hitchcock movie. You see? Okay. Ready? One, two, 1, 2, 3. No. Don't come. 1, 2, 3. For you, a little bit for you, and a little bit for you. My God, the seagulls are scroungers. Okay, that's it. No more. Yeah. Go away now. Okay, fine. Shoo. Shh. My goodness, they are hungry. I got 2 slices left. They're mine, all mine. There it is. Okay, birds, that's it. Only one more slice, one for you and one for me. You see? Now this is a human talking. Now I gotta talk, I gotta speak bird. Excuse me. That means I only have this much left. That's a translation from bird language to English language. A little bit for you. A little bit for you. My God, they are hungry. Little bit for you. That's it. No more. I gotta speak bird now. Kaput. It's a lot of birds. Okay. I only have one more slice. That's it. No more. This is it. One for you, one for me. Bye. And I'm gonna wash it down with Pepsi. What do you think about that, birds?